Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. We're going to do a little POV around Budapest today. I have the Sony A7III, but what I have on it is really cool, is the Techart Pro EALM7, I think it's called. So basically it lets you take your old M42 or any old manual focus lens and turn it into an autofocus lens. And today we are using the Pentacon 29mm 2.8. And let's see how this thing works. Let's get some test shots going. Let's get warmed up. But I like this shot. It's a good warm-up shot. Oh, focus is quite nice. Let's see how quick it focuses. And it's not native glass, but think about this. This is a, 40-year-old lens. And I'm using it on a Sony A7III. Not the best time of day to be out shooting, but I have some errands to run, so I figured I'll make a video for you guys. Hunted a bit, but I have it set to infinity, so. Kaczynski, which is the most famous bar street in the city. When it's not COVID, there is a plethora, I think 28 bars and a kilometer and a half, however long the street is, 29 bars. But also have the best pizza in Budapest right here, Moto Pizza. The guys are, let's go with the numbers. It didn't focus. Coming up on Simpla, which is the most famous ruin bar in the city. They get a cool little design shop with fake sleeping cat in the window, all kinds of cool lights and design stuff. It's cool. Check them out online. Doing some renovations. Just sitting next to the Chewbacca. But my 14-year-old humor sees that sign that says poo. We're gonna have to take a shot of that. So if we can get a reflection of the poo, that would be even better, huh? Poo reflection. Might be a decent shot somewhere in there. It's so weird shooting wide angle today. It's a cool little area. Always something always over here graffiti wise. Maybe nothing in there, but why not? I'm not shooting film, so. By the way, guys, this is my first POV street photography, but I've been doing street photography since 2004. You can check out my channel. I got on my Instagram. I'll put the link on the screen. Usually you can see into this building. It's really cool. There we go. Cool. Trying to get out of this harsh sun. Wow. That would have been a great shot with that little old lady walking by. Hour and a half, some of them. But you can check those out on my channel as well. Sort of government building at one point. Now it's the Novotel. See if we can get anybody crossing through here. Maybe get a cool shot out of that. Typically shoots, but getting closer to the train station. You can see it at the end of the street, but I want to get off that busy main street because I'm sure you can't hear me. So I'm just using the onboard mics on the GoPro, so we'll see. Seems like I'm shooting a lot of graffiti today, but just getting warmed up, boys. The whole day. Be out shooting. That goes with the. I like graffiti too. I should render pretty cool with this vintage lens, which is, as I said earlier, the Pentacon 29mm 2.8. It's a later version, so it's in much better shape than normal. I think I paid about $50 for it because it was in such good shape. There's a lot of them you get, they've been beat to hell, and they're not very reliable. Pass it. There's an old. That's pretty good right there. Well, that's really good.
Just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something.